Welcome to Assessment Task 8. In this task, you'll deliver 9 swimming lessons, 3 lessons each in water familiarization, water safety and survival, swimming strokes. You only created 6 lesson plans in Task 7, so you'll need to use at least one facility-provided plan for each group. Some facilities may prefer you use their plans entirely, so be flexible. Make sure you're working with an LSV-endorsed workplace supervisor who'll help guide, observe and report on your lesson deliveries. Before you start, review the lesson delivery assessment templates. There's one for each focus area. They look similar, but criteria may differ slightly, especially in the techniques and skills section. Although your supervisor fills them out, it's important you understand what they're looking for. Take a few minutes to read through the criteria and go over it with your supervisor. Review the lesson plan you'll be delivering and work with your supervisor or facility to schedule all 9 sessions in advance. When it's time to deliver, make sure the top section of each template is pre-filled. Your name, supervisor details, facility name, and session date. Your supervisor will review how you prepare the class, demonstrate skills, manage the group, and respond to learner needs. Each template includes specific skills that must be demonstrated. You don't need to cover them all in one lesson, but they should be clearly shown at least once across the 3 sessions in each category. So stay organized, stick to your plan, and focus on clear, confident delivery. Quick reminder, for Assessment Task 9, you'll need to collect 2 pieces of feedback. This can come from students, parents, or your supervisor. The best time to do this is right after a lesson, while everything is still fresh. Once all your delivery sessions are complete, take the time to check that each assessment template is fully filled out. Make sure the top section includes your details, your supervisor's details, and the dates of delivery. Then check that your supervisor has signed each template, added detailed feedback, and that you've signed it too. Remember, it's the assessor, not your supervisor, who determines if you're satisfactory based on the evidence provided. If anything is missing, it's your responsibility to follow up and get it completed. Once everything is complete, scan each template clearly and save your files somewhere safe. You'll need them when it's time to submit your full on-the-job portfolio. After reviewing your portfolio, your assessor may ask you to resubmit. Common reasons include missing observation dates or signatures, supervisor feedback lacking detail, not all skills observed across the 3 sessions. It's rare to deliver all 3 lessons for one group on the same day, so listing only one date is often a red flag. If you do need to resubmit, just fix what's missing and send it back. Your assessor needs a clear record that all requirements have been met. That's your guide to completing Assessment Task 8. Make sure your documents are accurate, complete, and clearly show your performance across all 9 sessions. Don't forget to scan your forms clearly. If you need help, check out the short videos on scanning using your phone. Next up is Assessment Task 9, where you'll reflect on your delivery and use the feedback you've collected. Thanks for watching, and great work getting this far.